When they go, Golden Rage from the outside, Charlie's World, Sir Frederick moving up by the rallies You Belong to Me, and War Star is the early trailer by about 4 or 5 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Golden Rage, Baja Palan, Charlie's World pressing up on the outside. Sir Frederick racing in third by about 2 lengths by the rally You Belong to Me. War Star joining them as they race the last 500. Golden Rage, Charlie's World, Sir Frederick, War Star is on the outside, and You Belong to Me as they race the final corner. Golden Rage increasing its marker to about 3 lengths, and on the outside is Sir Frederick, War Star on the further outside, and You Belong to Me, and nearing the last 100 meters more to run, number 4, Golden Rage. And finally, Golden Rage second, War Star, Sir Frederick, You Belong to Me, and Charlie's World comes last.
4-3, 2.